Why do you add sulfur to alkaline soil? Heading flowers. Here is the answer. Stem cuttings. Where is the cambium in a tree trunk? The answer is below bark. Why are aphids harmful to vegetable crops? The answer is suck sap. What does a hardiness zone represent? Did you guess it? The answer is min temp. How do you spot a magnesium deficiency? The correct choice is yellowing. When is the best time to apply seaweed? Answer, early morning. Why do you use row covers on seedlings? Time's up, it's exclude pests. What is the role of phosphorus in roots? Here is the answer, energy flow. How do you identify male squash flowers? The answer is thin stems. Where is the crown of a perennial plant? Answer, base of stems. Why do you use cold frames in gardens? Answer, extend season. What causes damping off in seedlings? Here is the answer, soil fungi. How do you manage squash vine borers? Here is the answer. Stem surgery. What causes intervenal chlorosis? Here is the answer. Iron deficiency. How does cation exchange capacity work? The correct choice is ion attraction. Why do you measure soil bulk density? Answer, compaction. What is the benefit of vermicompost tea? Here is the answer. Microbes. When do you apply dormant oil sprays? The answer is late winter. How do gibberellins affect plant size? Here is the answer. Cell elongation. Why is integrated pest management used? Answer, ecobalance. What defines a biennial life cycle? And the answer is 2 years. How do auxins influence plant stems? Here is the answer, bending light. When is seed stratification required? And the answer is cold period. Why do stomata close during a drought? Time's up. It's save water. What is the saturation point of soil? Here is the answer. All pores full. How do cytokinins affect plant aging? And the answer is delaying it. Where do adventitious roots grow from? The correct choice is stem or leaf. Why is rhizobium found in legume nodes? Did you guess it? The answer is fixed nitrogen. What is the effect of phototropism? Did you guess it? The answer is growth to light. How do you identify Fusarium wilt signs? The answer is vascular brown. When do you use sulfate of potash? The correct choice is fruit quality. Why is copper fungicide used on plants? The answer is bacterial spot. What is the field capacity of soil? And the answer is water held. How do nematodes affect garden soil? The correct choice is kill grubs. Why do dicot seeds have 2 leaves? Time's up! It's energy storage! What is the result of xylem blockage? Did you guess it? The answer is wilting. How do abscisic acids affect seeds? Time's up. It's maintained sleep. When should you plant green manure? Time's up. It's off season. Great job. Did you ace this quiz? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge.